Hi everyone, I'm Russel and I did my undergraduate degree at the University of Leicester. I'm a third year PhD student and so I study rocks basically. This is a picture of me at the top there in Scotland on one of the few sunny days that we actually have. And I came to the University of Leeds in 2013 and I study rivers. So while I was at the University of Leicester, I did a lot of green activities. I spoke at the EAUC conference, I helped organise a BioBlitz, Green Week, and also I was in the environmental management team at the University of Leicester. And I also ran the Green Impact team for 2 years as well, where we got the Gold and Silver Awards, which was absolutely brilliant because that was in the geology department. And in order to do that, we had to change the opinions of many people as to what geologists are. So as I said, my PhD is on rivers. So the reason that I love geology is because the area that I work in is so that we can rebuild environments like this one, that old one, of how things used to look like hundreds of millions of years ago. So I study point bar deposits, which is the bits inside the wiggles on the river, and go and look at rocks and things and work out how that can help. Now, then from that, I create these diagrams, which look slightly like minions, if anyone knows that. And basically looking at the amount of mud and sand, and the grey areas are the muddiest bits and the yellow is the sandiest bits. And this helps these guys to target better, instead of wasting £200 million on drilling somewhere and all the carbon and all the energy that uses. They can target better and they can therefore focus and be more economic and decrease their carbon footprint, essentially. So what they do is they take our research, I'm part of a research group, the Fluvial Research Group at the School of Earth and Environment, and they find out, they find rocks which don't look like that, they're not underground rivers, but they used to be millions of years ago, and that's what I do research in. So I also present this work at conferences such as the AAPG and BSRG, which will be coming up in a few weeks, and this, involves going to loads of really cool places. So I mentioned the School of Earth and Environment, and this is the School of Earth and Environment, for those of you who don't know it. And the School of Earth and Environment is really brilliant in that it has got so many opportunities that enables me to do oil-based research and still get involved in my environmental sustainability passion. So I was Green Rep for St Mark's, which was through the Students' Union, and we did a massive food waste campaign, which was so much fun. We had this donations box in the foyer, and we got loads of food together and gave it to people who needed it. And we also did, I had loads of posters and things out on people's fridges, and they were not buying as much food, and it was really great fun. And so I also do Green Impact. I'm in the Green Impact group in the School of Earth and Environment, and we're doing a load of projects this year. Now, Green Impact is university-wide, so if you want to get involved in Green Impact, you can do it in whatever school you want to, because there's loads of teams. So what we're doing this year is we're keeping it local, so we're doing promotions on local activities and trying to keep things green. So for those who don't know, the Green Impact is an NUS-based thing, and it's really good fun. So also, at School of Earth and Environment, we do talks, and I run some talks on the oil-based things, but then I can go and attend talks on the environmental things. I went to one by someone from the Met Office, which was brilliant. We all have one goal, and that's to protect this little blue marble that we all live on. This photograph just kind of shows how delicate it is almost, and we all want that to be, the case. And in order to do that, we have to know about who we're supporting and think about how we portray that support. So Statoil has just pledged to build the biggest wind farm in the UK. Many people don't know that oil companies actually have a lot to do with carbon reduction as well. They're also going to be the people at the forefront of carbon sequestration when this finally kicks in the next 10 years, which is storing CO2 in the ground and getting it out the atmosphere. So we need to think about how we can actually all help together and the ways in which we should direct our action. And this is at ground roots level, things like Green Impact, and encouraging one person to change their opinion and they'll change their mind and use less carbon. So the School of Earth and Environment and this whole university has so many opportunities which is enabling me to build my own future. So someday I'll be able to do whatever it is I end up doing and do good. So thank you.